Hello there. I welcome you to SAVE-TEY Ventures, where we specialize in lighting up your financially bright future towards financial independence, not freedom. We understand that managing your finances can be overwhelming. The pressure to make ends meet, the stress of uncertainty, the reality of inflation, and the fear of not achieving your goals. But what if you could take control of your finances? What if you could save smart and achieve your goals towards a financially independent future? What if you could shift your perspective slightly towards a different direction to take control of your finances? At SAVE-TEY Ventures, we provide that slight shift in perspective towards taking control of your finances. We provide a comprehensive financial system designed to empower you to save on your legitimate expenses, through which you can achieve your goals and secure your bright financial future. Do you want this? We know you'd love to give it a try. So, don't wait any longer to take control of your finances. Join the SAVE-TEY Ventures community today and start building the financial future you deserve. Thank you for watching. We look forward to empowering you to secure your financial future, setting you up for good success. We love you, and we want you to experience it for yourself by giving us the opportunity to serve you as our royalty. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more valuable content and updates, and also feel free to spread the word to your family and friends. In the description below is our website address and more. Thank you for your audience, royalty.